Never in a million years thought I would become an alcoholic at 40 years old. I had weight loss surgery and still had issues with needing to cover up anxiety, and all of those reasons that I ate before were still there, even though I had corrected the problem of eating. And I eventually turned to alcohol. I got addicted to that really quickly and became an alcoholic at 40 years old. So I battled it for 3 years on my own, trying all the time, lots of different things. I went to psychiatrists, I got on medication, I tried and failed over and over and over and over again. And one of those times I passed out and ended up in St. Mary's ER and was in a coma for I'm not sure how long, 10 days, 14 days, something like that.
And you were at the ICU here at the hospital, correct?
I was in the ICU for quite a long time, and they didn't think that I was going to make it. I woke up on a ventilator. My struggle from that point on was just to make it, to be alive, to survive. I was bound and determined to do anything that I possibly could to not be in that spot again. And I heard from more than one person in the community that I should go see Dr. Jackman. He's the best.
Your story is like many stories where people find a point in their life where they want to make change and aren't really certain how or have not been successful doing so. And I was so glad that we could introduce you to our team, in particular our intensive outpatient program.
Honestly, I've been using substances for a very long time, and I don't want to be addicted to pain medication. That's a huge thing, you know.
It's not so much replacing one substance for another, but here we want to use a medication to help your brain heal.
Right.
And rightfully so.
Right.
That's something we do every day, is take a look at our patients and where they're at on an individual basis and say, what are their risks to their overall health, and how do we use medications to safely remove substances from their life?
I had 600 days sober. There was a time that I couldn't make it 3 weeks. I was trying and trying and trying the hardest that I could, and I couldn't make it 3 weeks.
For me personally, the satisfaction has been helping people take back control of their life. It's rewarding. You pointed out very well that this work is hard. Taking your life back from addiction, taking your brain back from addiction is hard. But seeing people in recovery keeps myself and I think our team moving.
If anyone's worried about coming to see someone about addiction, they should forget that worry immediately. It's so helpful. So you're not just blindly searching and trying to find your way through the dark. Honestly, it's really nice to have someone on your side.